Oh shit. My bunghole, it needs some TP, needs some TP, needs some TP. My bunghole, it needs some TP, needs some TP, needs some TP.
Give me bunghole TP for my TP, bunghole TP, whatever you want to give it me, give me bunghole TP for my TP, bunghole TP, it's okay to me, just give me.
If you want to see some TP for my bunghole, you must give me TP for my bunghole. I need all the TP you can give me. Please, please, give me some TP, TP. Give me just one little piece, one piece of some TP. I need TP for my bunghole. I just want to see my bunghole live. If I did so, you must understand. This is not a joke, it's all serious. It's no fun and games, it's no fun and games, it's no fun and games, it's no fun and games if you don't have the proper equipment. Let's face it, it could just ruin your entire life. That's not right. You fight too hard to just give up, and surrender to what? To lack of TP? No one just gives up in lack of TP. Everybody just needs to focus, and you will see that this world, in all its beauty, is just one big TP. One big TP. We're all just trapped in it. Imagine you again. Oh, dude, yes.